Alright guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing for the Arris Foldable RC drone. It's inside this box here. You can get it on Amazon for 72 bucks. Let's see what we have here. It's fancy, it reminds me of Mac. Alright. Ooh, that's pretty. So here we go. Feels cheap. Plastic, but it doesn't mean it necessarily flies bad. Okay, there it is. There are 3 different speeds on here. You can do flips, and it says there's a takeoff and land button and a stop, return to home, and also a compass. So we'll see how and what and if they work. There's also some guards that go on here, and let's turn this guy on and see how he does. Pops up just normal. Cover's pretty good. You know, it's just my luck. I live in Washington and it is rainier than all get out. So, let's take off, and there's a slight breeze, so let's see how this does. Come on. Nope, watch out, nope. Okay, and it's gone. Alright, so I'm back, and this thing's so lightweight, any type of breeze, phew, is gone. So I just ran it down, almost hit the power lines, almost hit the van, almost hit this little tree right here, but we're good. So we're gonna wait till a better day outside to try this, and yeah, so far it's fun. Alright, so in order to put on the prop guards for this bad boy, what you have to do is you have to take, and there's these little notches that you just have to pop out. So you pop those out, and then you go ahead and you slide this in. And so I've already gotten the other ones out, so let's go ahead and put those in. If you're flying indoors, I do recommend putting these on, because you never know when you're gonna find a wall. Here's the test to see if we can do this magicness. Yeah!